Hi everyone, my name's Anne Marie and I have a coding problem. It's so much fun, I think I'm addicted. I never even intended to learn Python. My interests are more around finance and economics and investing. So what got me started? Well, a few months ago there was this financial model I was working with and it was too complicated for a spreadsheet, and I thought there must be a better way. My search led me to a Python module called Dash by Plotly, and I thought, wow, this is so cool, I've got to learn how to use it. So I just started working my way through the Dash tutorial, and as I did that, I started creating these cool little apps. And it gave me so many ideas for things that I wanted to create and build and share, but it was also kind of frustrating because I just couldn't do them as fast as I wanted. I didn't know enough basic Python. I was getting stuck for hours or days even on some pretty simple stuff. And I knew I needed some help. So earlier, I'd found the Finxter website, and I liked the puzzles and the cheat sheets were really helpful. Since Chris is such a good teacher, I asked if he knew anyone who could help me do things like some code reviews for my project and just answer questions when I get stuck. Turns out he takes on a few consulting clients, and I'm so thrilled to have the opportunity to work with Chris. I've learned way more than I ever could have on my own. And he's been helpful not only in improving my code and the UI, but even on the project plan. He's also given me great study and reference material too. So one more thing before I wrap up. Just don't think that you don't know enough yet to start working on your own project. I started mine the day after I wrote my first print hello world in Python. And it's way more fun to learn when you're working on something that you think's cool. And sure, things can get frustrating sometimes, but hey, if I can do it, you can do it. And Finxter can help. All right, that's all. Thanks, Chris.